Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But a savage move today. Now, granted, the markets were very rough, but rough or not, I mean, it was still a bad day for this one. So a lot of updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do here is actually just get rid of a couple of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that does need to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And right there at 26 was a very important level. And you can see once that level, was violated, that just opened up a whole nother, downwards momentum push. But in order to keep even this line relevant, what I'm going to do here is adjust this level of resistance down to the $24 mark. So $24 is going to be that first key battleground to watch if there is any sort of attempted consolidation. So if the price behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards, keep an eye on $24 again. That'll be that first main roadblock. If the price can push up through that level, then the next key overarching level to watch from the resistance side of things would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, probably getting a little bit too far ahead of myself. Let's just first see if the price can bounce and then see if the price can even get above 24. And then at that point, it makes a little bit more sense to be focused on that level. But again, just from more so the overarching standpoint, that would be another level you'd want to watch. As far as areas of support are concerned, going to have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit because it's been a long time since the price has been down this low. But yeah, as you're seeing here, I get it. The price is hard to see here. But the chart's hard to see here, but that just shows that it's been such a long time since the price has been down around this area. But next key overarching level of support down there right around the $20 mark. So keep an eye on that. But yeah, as of right now, it's looking like a new push has begun, and not just a question of how low will this push go, and we'll have to just sit back and see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.